Hi, Bob Shannon. Welcome again to another in the ongoing series of Mountain Wind Family. 7 kids, 2 adults in the middle of nowhere. In this particular episode, I'm going to introduce you to Dan. Dan was pretty young and living up there with no real running water, no electricity, no this, no that. It was sometimes hard to keep clean. Well, kids keep clean, you know, they do like to, or at least their parents like them to. But Dan didn't like it when his hands got dirty. He decided to do a little sort of fake crying thing. I'm not quite sure what he wanted to happen. Did he want us to take him to a shower? There's no shower. This was during the meltdown season, 1989, coming off a winter of 45 degrees. Oh, here I'm in the city now complaining it's 34 and I'm out doing my walks. Oh, 45 below that year. Can't believe it. But at the time of the shooting, it's in the lower 40s. And you'll see our dogs. We had enough dogs up there, I'll tell you. Whew. Okay, let's roll it. Go cry. Come on, Dan.
Let me see. They're getting better. Let me see, look. A little bit muddy still.
It's dry.
I can clean them off. I can dry them off, but you have to get the mud off first.
I can't. What?
Find a nice puddle.
Yeah, a bigger bottle.
A big one?
Yeah.
Well, we'll try it again because you got lots of the dirt off already. And I got paper towels. I can clean them off pretty good.
Can you do it right now?